Hello friends, in this session we will discuss about introduction to AutoCAD software and its application. I am Anubhav. I am mechanical team leader at CAD Center Wardha Road. Now before going to the application part, let us first discuss some fundamentals related to AutoCAD. On a wide basis, AutoCAD in industries is used to prepare drawings for components and assemblies which are to be manufactured. And in this particular reference, when we have to create a drawing, we have to be well aware of the different kinds of projections standards followed in drawings. The first is orthographic projection, where the objects whose views are to be created is assumed to lie in one of the four quadrants, and from the object from its different planes, projector lines which are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the different profile planes are drawn to trace the front, top and side view respectively. It has to be noted that for drawings only first and third quadrant projections or methods are used. The next is isometric projection. The isometric projection is basically made by tilting viewing angle or plane to 30 degrees for all of its sides, as can be shown in this image. In AutoCAD, we can create orthographic and isometric projections for a part and assembly respectively. So if we have to differentiate between first and third angle of projection, it is clear from this image. In first angle projection method, depending upon the position of the object and the planes, each view is projected in the opposite side, and in third angle of projection, each view is projected in the same direction or plane from which it is viewed. Different companies follow different standards of projection. So, to summarize between first angle and third angle projection, in first angle the object is imagined to be in first quadrant, and in third quadrant for third angle projection. In first angle, object lies between observer and plane of projection, and in third angle, the plane of projection lies between the observer and object. Also, in first angle projection, the plane of projection is assumed to be non-transparent, and it is assumed to be transparent in third angle projection. The next important term is different kinds of engineering drawings. The first one is the machine drawing. It only helps the reader to understand the size and shape of a component and to create, for example, a 3D model or an isometric view, but it cannot be used for manufacturing. For manufacturing, we need a production drawing which contains information related to dimensional and geometrical tolerances, surface finish symbols, and many more, apart from views. And the last important type of drawing is assembly drawing, which shows the details of an assembly, its exploded view showing all the components present in the assembly at a glance. Different drawings showing the different dimensions related to various parts and final assembly. Now AutoCAD was developed by Autodesk in the year 1979, and at that time its name was InteractCAD. Its official version was launched on December 1982. It can be used for 2D drafting or drawing creation and also for developing 3D models. These are the versions of AutoCAD right from its release till date, and every year there is a new update to the version. AutoCAD finds its application in different kinds of industries like aerospace, automotive, architecture, civil engineering, interior designing, circuit boards designs, and jewelry designing. However, the maximum use of AutoCAD in all these domains is limited to creation of production drawings. These are some of the examples which shows various kinds of drawings prepared in AutoCAD. The first one is the drawing of a car prepared by an automotive company. These are some of the civil drawings which are related to the construction of houses, buildings, structures, and many more. So AutoCAD is a well-versed software which can be used by a mechanical engineer, a civil engineer or architect, and also an electrical engineer. In the next session, we will create a drawing based upon the dimensions given and various tools of AutoCAD.